I wasn't supposed to come here, but something in the ocean pulled me in.
They said this island doesn't exist, but I found it at midnight.
The sand, it reacts like it's alive.
I shouldn't go inside, but something is calling me.
The ocean is not normal here. It's alive.
Someone was here, Key, not long ago. These footprints? They're not mine. The island has a heart. And it's waking up.
I don't know if that island was real or something else entirely. But one thing is certain, some places are never meant to be found. And I was there for a moment before it disappeared.
I don't know what I saw, but I will never come back.
If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more mysterious travel stories, and tell me in the comments, would you step on this island alone?